Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are new here. Hi, I'm Courtney Quarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, makeup artist, and streamer. No, I usually say that. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist. There's something else. Did I just say it in the wrong order? Whatever. Anyway, if you're coming back, hi bestie! Today I'm going to talk about something that I've been waiting for a very long time. It might be obvious when I change scenes next, but I'm absolutely losing my mind. So if you want to see a new launch that has got me very excited, then just keep watching. If you are curious about any of my other socials, that will be linked in the description down below. And I hope that you enjoy my work. Let's get into it. Oh, yeah! This package is one that I have been waiting for. I'm finally gonna try these. Oh my god. They look stunning. They look, dare I say, perfect. But will they be? I would probably guess yes. Honestly, I feel like my faith in Dose of Colors is very high. They make so many things that I have loved for years. You have seen me talk on this account, on my page, on everywhere, for literally years about some of their products. I have repurchased so many of those items. I have been sent a lot of those items. Dose, also thank you so much for that. I love you. You know I love you. I know I love you. A lot of us here know I love you. If you don't, oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna open this right now because I know. It's the sparkle sticks. It's literally magic sparkle sticks. First of all, you know I love a pamphlet. You know I love a little bit of info. I love to learn, but I love all these little inserts with information because it helps me kind of, I don't know, learn about the product, because sometimes you don't know things. If it's the first time of me using a product and I don't know what it is, how am I supposed to know? I could simply Google it. I know. You could Google, go on the Instagram, go on the website, all these things, but this is just so helpful and also literally beautiful. Hello? I mean, look at that. Come on. Okay, so there are two multi-use shimmer sticks. That's right, multi-use, which I'm always skeptical of that, but I'm hopeful. So we have Stardust and Icy over here. From what I already know about the product already, I do believe that this is the first kind of formula of its kind in the US. I do think Italy has it. I think that's what I heard that they had said. But anyway, so this is like a super unique formula. I love products like this that make having like glitter and shimmer really easy. Also because I can kind of pair this with other palettes or other products that I have, and it's like, mwah, it's perfect. So these types of things I tend to go through very quickly, but it's also becomes more of a staple. Anyway, portable pocket size and mess proof, love that. Multicolor sparkle or a white silver sparkle. Ultra fine shimmer crystals, barely their texture. We'll see about that. Buildable and long lasting formula. We will also see about that. Now I will let you know in the description or on my streams or on my videos on just times to come how it will wear, because usually with products like this, my first impressions are very exciting, but I will continue to wear it. And this is one I'm going to tell you right now. Oh, I'm gonna wear it a lot. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Also, I'm gonna reuse this little bag. I know that. Dose. Oh, I remember when they teased this many, many moons ago. Cruelty-free, duh. Vegan, gluten-free, and paraben-free. Love that. Love that. It's literally magic. That's so cute. Here's a quick little look at like the unicarton packaging. It is very like sleek and soft. I'm gonna open up Icy first, literally just because. So Icy first. Oh yeah, that is sleek. I expect honestly nothing less. Nothing less. My god, can I ever talk? I expect nothing less from Dose. A little protective little thing on that. Oh my god, just looking at it. I actually like that this is a little bit smaller too, so you can kind of like fit it into like your inner corner or like something like that. Like it's a little more precise. I don't know. I enjoy that. Just in the tube, that looks insane. Let me show you actually. I'm gonna show you them side by side first. So Icy, and this is Stardust. Oh my god, I want to bite it. Oh, you can see the like little bits of purple and blue and green and gold in this one too. Now I think maybe looking at them like at first, like quick glance, it's like, okay, what's the difference? Ooh, oh, yeah, those look really, really pretty. But I think the biggest difference you're gonna see is when they're actually applied, because like in the tube, it might, I mean, to me, it looks like different planets, but it might seem similar-ish. Oh, okay, let me breathe a little bit. I think I'm gonna do one on each eye. Ooh, I like that it clicks closed, by the way. That click felt very solid. Because these, I imagine, will have a little bit more of like a slip to them or a little bit more of like a wet texture. It doesn't seem like it's gonna be very dry. I like the fact that it clicks close to kind of like lock in. It's not gonna dry out, because how frustrating is that when you have something and you don't close it all the way, or you don't like close it at such a force that is insane, and then it dries. Oh my god. The rage I feel. Okay, so this is Icy, and I think I'm just gonna like on my lid first. Oh, it feels very... It feels very cold. I need 1,000. I need 1,000. Dose. Stop it right now. Okay, but what if I just kind of pat it on? If I just kind of like pat it, is it? Oh! Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm truly so excited about this because this makes this kind of vibe, which I wear constantly, so easy and fast. Okay, what if I put it like a little bit, just like right in here? What if I press down a little bit harder? Dose, you better stop it right now. Dose, you better stop it right now. Look at that inner corner. My eyes are watering and I want to cry. Look at my inner corner. Okay. I love you. I will note that this feels, either this is metal or that's like more, I think this is metal. That feels, this part especially feels really quality. I just want to note that. I don't know why, but like that feels really nice. Oh my God, I'm, okay. Stay calm, stay calm. I can't. Look at that, it's so pretty. Stop. But don't stop, Dose, please. Are you gonna make more of these already? That's so demanding. I didn't demand that. Nope, not me. Okay, so I'm gonna try Stardust. Stardust, that's a cute name for that also. Icy very much makes sense. It is very white silver, which I absolutely love. I'm like giddy with excitement to try this one. So. Why does it feel cooling? Like, why does it actually feel so cooling? It feels so cooling. It's weird to me, but in a nice way. Like, it feels nice, but not like a menthol cooling. That would be weird, especially on the eyes. Let me just like put a bunch on the inner corner and see what happens. Stop. Ooh, okay, you can really see like the blue, I feel like. Well, I can at least. Actually, you probably can too. This is HD, baby. But it feels less, like it almost feels less intense than the like white sparkle, like silver. But that's really pretty. Oh my God, okay. Let me just see. Now, what if I took this on like right here and kind of just took the edge of it to make a... Stop! Oh, okay. You can make it a brow highlight just by using like the edge. You see what I'm doing? I'm just turning it up and using the edge of it to kind of do that. By the way, this is still I wanted to say Starburst. What? Stardust. Gee, good God. Okay, since I did that one on that side, let me take Icy and see what brow highlight it gives over here. I would imagine it's gonna be wild. The scroll up, by the way, is very smooth. It's not too fast. I know this is kind of like a random thing to talk about, but I will say the scroll up, the twist up is, I don't know, it's very, there's something about that that feels very satisfying. It feels very luxe. And I don't know how to describe that other than that. That's just the feeling it kind of gives. It's not like you scroll a little bit and it's all, I don't know. If you have these and do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, okay, great. Shut up. Shut up. Dude. Okay, I already have highlight on my nose, but I'm gonna take Icy. Okay, all right, Dose. All right. While I'm here, actually, you know what? I want to try, well, I'm gonna put them both on. I'm gonna put Stardust Stardust on first. No. No, Dose. Here's the thing, how dare you? It's like a little light. Ooh, God. I would wear the living daylights out of this on top of my lips. Do you see? It's super slight, but I want to see how crazy Icy goes. All right, all right. Jesus, what is this? What is this? Okay, yeah, so I feel like Stardust is a little more like shimmery, like it's cute, it's pretty, it catches the light in a very impactful way. Icy is a bit more oomphy, I think obviously depending on your application, if you just want to like tap a little bit on or like have it be a little bit more intense, it's definitely going to determine like how it, maybe not how it wears, but how it looks. I don't know how it wears because this is my first time putting it on. I have heard fantastic things from mutuals though, which also kind of like made me even more excited. My friends who've been getting this or who've been trying this have said wonderful things, and I was like, I know, I'm already excited, but I'm glad to hear that it's like going well. Let me just put like a little bit more of Icy on because I'm just like kind of curious. Jeez Louise. This might be my new favorite inner corner. Like I'm calling it right now. I've been using makeup for long enough. I know myself well enough. That brow highlight is literally insane. Having these be so portable and so just handy. Also, it's easy to use for me, depending on just like motor skills and stuff. Just keep in mind that this is a cap. It does kind of lock down closed, but I do like that this is the way that it is. I love a lot of like my pot, like glitter stuff like this, or my pans that are like pressed eyeshadows. You hear me talk about the Dose ones quite often. This just feels ultra handy. This feels ultra. And also the lip. I think because I rubbed in my lips, it's not going to stay as prominent. Also because it kind of just like melted into the lip that I already had on. That was quite perfect, might I add. But like this just adds like, put on the Cupid's bow probably. Girl. I'll get into it. Oh, yeah. I know myself, these are two products that I will go through probably fairly quickly. I'm so happy that Dose made these. I'm so happy that they feel so quality. My God. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit more of Stardust on this side. I went in a little light. By the way, my pressure when putting these on, incredibly light. Ooh, ooh, woo! I feel like they don't really drag either. It didn't feel like, I know, I've used some eye products where I'm like, my God, wow. Wow is all I have to say. I don't feel like there's a weird like cast happening either. Wow. Dose, thank you so much. This is just wonderful. Stunning, by the way, beautiful. This is Stardust over here. This is Icy over here. I think you can see like the fact that it's more like, you can see the white silver in Icy more versus like the blue, like kind of like pinks and purples that are showing up in Stardust that I can see on my eye. I think you can get a really like nice sheer effect. You can see it more on my lid. Both just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I am so supremely happy that this is finally here, that Dose has finally launched this. I think that by this time they're live, they're like up, they're out in the world. But Dose, thank you. Again, I don't know how many times I said thank you. It cannot be enough because wow, I appreciate this so much. Let me know what y'all think about this. I also want to wear this as a nose highlight, like by itself tomorrow, like Icy as a nose highlight. I think, yeah. I love stuff like this. I love launches like this that are maybe a little bit smaller because it feels super intentional. It feels like so much care was like poured into these products. Like it feels very specific. Sometimes with big launches, I think we've all kind of felt the like big launches and it's like, okay, well this thing's really good, but these things kind of feel like they got left out. Smaller launches like this kind of lately have gotten me more excited. Number one, because it's a product that I'm going to use a ton of and get a lot of really good use out of. And number two, it's just not like a launch to have a launch. No tea, no shade, but also like kind of a lot of tea, a lot of shade, I guess, maybe. Really stunning. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!